Hey guys, it's Jeffrey Joe here. They said y is equals to ln into x squared plus what 1. Find its derivative. How do you find the derivative of this function? It's very, very simple. First of all, you have to know the type of method to use because when you define the method to use, when you understand the method to use, then easy for you to solve this. Now, looking at this differential equation, okay, this is a function. If ln is a function of another function, okay, of another function x squared plus 1. And when it's a function of a function, you're going to use what? Chain rule. So you're going to use chain rule to solve this. You're going to use chain rule to solve this. So solution, you're going to use chain rule to solve this. Okay, and what does chain rule say? Chain rule states that my dy dx is equals to what? Dy du multiplying by du dx. This is what chain rule states. Now, what is my dy? What is my du? What's my du dx? I don't know. Now, defining my what u, I have to find what my u is. So let's have this equation. Let's have this question to be y is equals to what? Ln into what? X squared plus what? 1. I always told you guys like that. It shows the choice of u is very, very what? Important. Choice of u is very, very important. And when you have an algebraic term comes first, choice of u will be that algebraic term. So I'll simply say let u be what? X squared plus what? 1. So that my du respect to what? The s is going to give me what? Differentiating x squared plus 1 is going to give me what? The power of x is what? 2. Multiply the variable itself, x. Then subtract 1 from the power of x. So you have this with 2 minus 1. It's going to give me what? 2x. Okay? Now, I'll have this, my y. My y will now be what? Ln u. Okay? Ln u. Ln u. Alright? So that I'll now differentiate this, my dy, with respect to what? U. Okay? Because the variable here is what? U is equals to what? We're differentiating ln u, more like differentiating ln x is what? 1 over x. Differentiating ln u is what? 1 over what? U. Okay, now I know what my dy over du is. My du over dx is, right. Since I know what those terms are, what I'll do next is what I'll put those terms into what? The chain rule formula. So I have this to be my dy dx is equals to what? Dy du is what? Is what? 1 over u. So 1 over u multiplying by du dx is what? 2x. Okay, so I have this to be what? 2x over what? U. What is my u? My u is x squared plus what? 1. So I have this to be 2x over x squared plus what? 1. That is what my answer. That is the answer. You see, very, very well simple. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.